What if I told you that the key to curing cancer, Alzheimer's, and even aging has been hidden inside our cells for decades? In 1972, scientists discovered this mystery. Biology's holy grail, protein folding. But cracking it? Impossible. Until 2020. When an AI named AlphaFold did the unthinkable. Proteins are tiny molecular machines. Their shapes decide whether they build life or destroy it. Imagine trying to build a car by randomly throwing parts into a box and shaking it. That's how scientists tried to predict protein shapes for 50 years. And by 2020, they'd barely scratched the surface. Then came AlphaFold. AlphaFold is an AI developed by Google's DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet. This AI didn't just speed up the process. It changed the game forever. Trained on millions of evolutionary patterns, it could predict protein shapes in minutes, with near-perfect accuracy. What took humans decades, AlphaFold did in weeks. Today, AlphaFold's database holds over 200 million protein structures. All public, all free. Researchers are using it to design drugs for once untreatable diseases, engineer enzymes that eat plastic waste, unlock secrets of the human brain. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. But here's the catch. With great power comes great risk. What if this tech falls into the wrong hands? If AI-designed proteins go rogue, the line between miracle and disaster is thinner than you think. AI isn't just transforming science. It's rewriting the rules. Will we use it to heal the world? Or break it? The answer starts with you. Hit subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. And grab our free guide at inscilab.tech. Because the future isn't waiting. It's already here.